I forgot these Johns are made of mud.
Wow, very cool, Kenny. Very cool, thank you much.
Wait, this is actually pretty crazy.
Very cool, thank you much. Yo, it's so cold in here. What the fuck?
Oh, you can go different ways?
Have you been lost here?
I hope we do. Is this a dead end?
Yeah. As you should.
I had to get this shit. This is definitely sicker than antelope.
Yo, this is tight.
Is it?
Yeah. God damn. What the fuck? Big nose out here.
Yeah, you are not kidding. This shit is tight. Is that it?
Yeah. There's a whole nother canyon.
Oh. Oh, for real. What am I thinking? I need to get a flick of this. Sorry, I know I'm like ruining your photo too. Crazy work.
This was terrible in the rain.
Yeah, I heard in the rain it just starts fucking collapsing. Dude, what the fuck?
You go right, I go left, we'll figure it out.
Alright, bet. Oh, it's great. Look at this. I'm in here. Was yours? Did yours lead to anything? This one does.
Anything?
No, it goes here. Where did yours go?
Just super tiny.
I'm gonna go check. I wonder if there's more than 2, or if this is it.
Oh. Yeah. Super tiny cut. You can go up there.
Did you?
No.
Hold up, I'm gonna try this. That's, hold up, I gotta show that. That's crazy. Yeah, it starts raining this one, you're cooked.
You could really climb at it.
Wow, I'm like actually getting stuck.
I don't know how far it goes.
Here's this part again.
Be careful though, there's a lot of, there's just like a lot of sinkholes up there.
Let me get in front.
But there's just a ton of different trails.
Oh really? What way you go? This way?
Yeah, go your right. Bunch of caves and shit up here.
You go this way?
You go, I just went everywhere.
Oh, it looks like, yeah, they all connect and shit.
Yeah, there's just a bunch of little leadoffs and whatnot. Bunch of big drops.
Did you go left here?
Went everywhere. Better just walk all through this. Come up here, this big cave.
I love how this one's not a trail. They're gatekeeping all the good ones.
Yeah, you can go in there. It's just like a little cave with a big drop off. Be careful, Luke. Ground's loose.
What?
And there's some more stuff over there. Don't go too far.
Gotcha.
Like it.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how deep it is, I couldn't tell.
We're gonna find out.
Stick that thing down there.
It goes deep, dude.
Yeah, I was messing around with it.
Did you go like down here?
No.
Yeah, I feel like you'd get stuck in that.
I wouldn't even stay on the edge. This is all just loose ground.
Did you go on this lower platform?
No, I wouldn't stay on there.
Yeah, you get stuck in there. And
All of this can just, like what we're standing on right now, can just sink.
yeah, these things change shape when it rains. Dude, this is the coolest one by far. What the fuck?
There's a bunch over here too.
Over where?
I'm up here. There's a cool little cave. I didn't go all the way down this part. Up here, I went and there was a bunch of shit flying at my face. And then I dipped.
I would have wore the head mount if I knew it was all this climbing and shit out here.
Go, make a weird ass
Here,
noise.
take this. I can't get up.
Is this even recording?
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw it. You hear that noise?
Yeah, birds, right?
Yeah.
Stumbled upon a bunch of them.
They just
Get
fly
out
at your
here.
face though.
Show it to me.
What?
Show the camera.
And you can't climb.
Can't climb.
There might be bats in there too.
We should
Like,
find
there's
out.
stuff flying around. Yeah, I came out here and I was like, a bunch of shit just flew out of that cave in my head. And I fucking touched it.
What the fuck?
Yeah. It's pretty badass. I think it's like 10 degrees cooler right here.
Did you go in these yet?
No, I booked it right here. It's eerie. It gets mad cold.
Yeah. Dude, it's Moon Caves. Literally. Oh, there's mad bird shit. Oh my god, dude. Come this way.
Holy fuck.
I have a feeling these all connect.
I hate these fuckers, dude.
I'm just worried they're gonna shit on my fucking head. The amount of times, dude, like trying to get to a roof of a building where there's just birds in it and I get shit on, it's so disgusting. Wow, they don't connect. Dude, this cave gets deep.
It's so nice how cool it is.
I know. Come in here. Yeah. There's mad, I don't even know where to start.
Which way to go, right?
Go left. We gotta explore all this.
Damn birds, man.
Dude, this one just goes. I deadass need to pull out the flashlight.
Your phone's not even big enough.
Yeah, but it helps.
Just watch for drops, bro.
Doing this with no hands is so fucked. All these fucking bird feathers and shit. Dude, does it seriously keep going? Is that water? Still water. Nah, it's more like very wet sand. This is the dead end.
It is.
And the ground here is wet.
Yeah.
When I turn my flashlight off on my phone, it gets pitch black.
You go up here?
No, oh, there's not much up there.
Down we go.
Oh my god. I think this one's also a dead end here.
These guys holes. It's slick as hell right here.
Do I keep going around the corner? It's wet as fuck right here.
This is not safe. Just don't touch the walls.
Oh, it's a dead end.
There's still a lot more up here.
That's so insane, dude. This is by far the coolest one.
Alright, phone's going in the pocket for this.
Come on. Come on. Fuck. I love how we're also off trail. That's alright. They don't want you to explore this. They try to gatekeep it.
I don't definitely want you down here.
Yeah.
We went that way, right? You know?
Yeah, we haven't gone down this cave.
You're gonna get lost. This is just a massive drop.
This looks like, holy fuck, that's a massive drop.
Watch your back too.
It's like 25 feet.
It's so nice down here though.
I know, it's actually cool as fuck.
It literally drops like 20, 30 degrees down there.
The bird noises add to this so much. Any other cool shit that you saw that I haven't, or?
Yeah, I went on the right over here.
Yeah, that's right, this part sucks. Where'd you go?
Where? Come on that way. Ah, man. Massive drop.
I almost just fell on a massive drop.
Yeah, it's only right there. You're crossing. Walking on these is really sketch considering all these drops.
And that there's no structural integrity.
No. Yeah. We could get down there, but
Is it worth it? Should we go to the top first?
go that trail.
Is this up, what you're talking about?
What?
Is this where you said go up?
Oh, son, you go up.
Where'd you say?
That's a sketchy one. Don't stand on the end of that.
Those are probably like the tops of the caves we were just in.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
That's a huge drop.
It's just sketchy being up here. There's no
Yeah, you could just go through the fucking ground.
no rock. Go. Go quick.
Oh my god. I'm just catching myself eating shit in 4K. This is a trip highlight for sure. Fuck Antelope Canyon. Oh, this one's a slot canyon again.
That's way down. Damn.
Sick? What the fuck?
Bro, there's no way that's just birds.
What the fuck else could it be?
You hear that?
Yeah.
Sounds like a whimpering dog.
Oh god. Gotta find out.
Sounds like a bunch of different shit.
When we get in there, you want to shine a light for me?
Yeah, you got your phone.
I could use my phone. Stuff. Oh fuck, bird shit everywhere. Hopefully that didn't get on my pants. That's disgusting.
All over the place.
Is it really?
I missed it.
This might have been a waste of time. That looks like a humongous drop. Oh, I scared the dog shit out of him.
God damn.
Hi, it's pigeons.
I fucking hate pigeons, man. Get out here. This is thin, man.
It's thick over here. Alright, birds, please don't shit on me. I'm just coming to look. Oh, you can keep going down here.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't think for much further, but you can get to the bottom.
Alright. Coming down.
The bird is probably like, what the fuck is going on? You're deadass invading their home.
Yo, are those pigeons?
Yeah.
Get the hell out of here, bro.
Why?
Pigeons. No, I'm talking to the pigeon.
Oh.
I hate them shits flying on my head.
Ah. Scouch. I wonder how much of this the GoPro's picking up. It's pretty dark down here.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, it's actually picking up better than I expected. Oh, and it ends here.
It's a dead end.
Yep. Well, I'm already down here.
Very cool, very nice. Thank you much.
Wow.
Ugh.
This one really looks like it. Yeah, this one's good. Oh shit. Maybe not. Oh my god, it's a bunch of birds. I'm scaring them. I should have brought the fucking head mount for this. No. Getting down this is fucked. That's definitely the top though. Oh, just hate how unsturdy. If this shit was like rock solid, I'd be climbing up that shit, but it's just gotta be some of the worst structural integrity ever dealt with. See? None of it stays. Right now I'm gonna get people out there like, oh my god. Definitely gonna piss some people off. They're destroying them. I'm looking. Okay. The question is, do I drop in the cave? I bet I could do it. We know we can do it. Just can I get out? Should be fine. I don't know if it's gonna look like it, but this is steep as fuck. Okay, point proven. And for the drop. Oh boy. It really isn't that bad. Okay. This is pretty stupid, but we're gonna do it. Not bad. Oh. Well, that's the end.